Hey folks, Phil B-Man here. I'm sitting in my skid steer about to clear some snow. I remember some years ago doing a video from the cab of my snow clearing equipment at the time, a big old case tractor, and I've since upgraded to a well-used but very good condition Kubota skid steer. One of the track models, very pleased with it. So just for those interested in how you clear snow after a bit of a storm, we've got some fairly heavy packed drifts. This is beekeeping in Canada come winter time. So away we go. So I have a hydraulically operated snowblower on the front of my machine, and I can control the chutes, angle, as well as position from the seat. Pretty nice. And on my old machine, I could turn, but I couldn't deflect without getting out of the cab. And when the wind's really howling, getting out of the cab's no fun. All right, we'll turn around and we'll get to work here. I'll have to rev up a little bit. Hopefully the